In apparel manufacturing, there are 4 steps to follow while working with customers. The first step is to have a kickoff meeting with the potential customer to gather information on the product and expectations. Then you build a design board with a thorough layout of the finished product. The numbers of the trims and other technical callouts in the design are then crystal clear to pattern makers and prototype makers. Customers must first consider technical specifications, minimum order requirements, and price before deciding on the fabric type to utilize. The apparel merchandisers collaborate with the prototyping team to develop a prototype sample after receiving the tech pack from the customer that includes the fabric requirements. The merchandisers collaborate with industrial engineers and computer-aided designing teams to develop the cost sheet. Then, the merchandiser obtains approvals from the customer on the proto sample and the pricing. The first task is to select the fabric for the prototype of the final, approved design. Samples can be in jumping size or full size set with the print and placement approvals. A copy of the purchase order with all the details on the fabric, trimmings, and accessories is given to the supplier. As soon as the goods arrive, the store manager will send a sample to the apparel merchandiser for approval. After the approval, raw materials are sent for cutting and stitching. Cutting the fabric at the cut table is one of the initial steps in production. Yards of fabric is compacted airtight together and then put into a machine to be cut into pieces using the cut file that the marking team prepared. The cut fabric is fed into the industrial machinery as bar tackers, buttonholers, attaches, heat sealing machines, flat locking machines, sergers, and straight stitch machines. Once the stitching process is complete, the quality control team inspects the product against the client's specifications to ensure a high-quality product while promoting product safety, preventing recalls, minimizing customer complaints, adhering to local or international rules, and promoting repeat purchases. Then the product moves into packaging, and the final product is shipped directly to the warehouse or the customer. Finally, the accounts department should receive a copy of all purchase orders from the apparel merchandiser against a specific order. The project profitability is assessed upon order completion, with the amount of time and action set by the industrial engineers and taken by the merchandiser, and is used to evaluate the merchandiser's performance.